Here I have Nokia G60, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, and here in the first line you can change aspect ratios. You have like 1:1. Let's switch to the front camera so you can see it better. So you have like 1:1, you have 4:3, you have 16:9, and you have full screen. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.